Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 22nd of February. Last week we went short WTI, so that is crude oil at $78.35, to just above the green line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And we expected the price of crude oil to continue to slide, which has happened so far. We so far have dipped down towards the $75 mark and are heading down towards the January and February lows, which come in around the $70.50 area. So that's our downside target with regards to WTI. So we are still short on this trade. And today's Trading the Trend is looking at a longer term downtrend. As you can see here, we've been in an uptrend on the NASDAQ 100 since the beginning of the year. But if we zoom out and go onto the longer term charts and look at last year, you can see that we've been falling since last year. And you can see here that the red line here, the 200-day simple moving average, continues to point lower. So what we would like to do now is to go short the NASDAQ 100, because we've fallen through the 10th of February low and we are in the process of forming a top. And this, we believe, could take us all the way back down again towards the lows seen in January of this year and even lower, so to below 11,000. So this week's Trading the Trend is to go short the NASDAQ 100 at 12,055 with a stop loss above the early February high at 12,897 and a downside target at 10,805.